Want to know how to auto-document code with a Markdown in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application and you should be right here. And now once you're on this interface, I have this C# code with me right here that you can just simply exit it out. So we have also created similar videos of Cursor AI regarding how to change your codes and how to do various items just through a single prompt. So let's get straight to it. Since we are auto-documenting this code with a Markdown, just simply select the entire code and then select add to chat. So this should open up a chatbot on your right side as you can see right here. So now once I figured that, just simply type in this prompt. So you can just simply select enter once that is done, and as you can see right here, it should generate you a proper documentation. And that's it. I hope this video helped. This is how you easily auto-document code with a Markdown as well. Make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.